screaming at me. I don't hear them, but I know they're screaming.
It's a brand. It's supposed to be difficult. When they talk about GTFO, oh, you play GTFO? That game's hard as f***.
It's been very exciting to be part of, like, from the first concept to, like, actually getting this game out.
I hope you bastards are looking up once in a while. Those fuckers might be anywhere.
We wanted to really sort of dive into that space and try to make a game that really puts emphasis on depending on each other.
As a composer and sound designer, really wanted to work with a horror game. So I'm happy that now that after 19 years, I actually get to do the audio for a proper horror game.
Something real close.
We got contact!
Being on a journey where you build up from essentially nothing to actually being able to establish a game like this.
And we wanted to really sort of dive into that space and try to make a game that really puts emphasis on depending on each other. Sort of like an old school cooperative game, like they used to be, sort of, but you just take it even further.
A lot of games claim to be cooperative, but they're really only games where you are allowed, if you want to play alongside other players in the same team. Doesn't necessarily mean that you need to cooperate. GTFO is a game where cooperation is absolutely crucial. It's going to be difficult, it's going to be demanding. You can't really play it absent-mindedly or sort of with a casual approach. It's supposed to be very hard. So that when people talk about the game, everyone is in agreement what the game demands and what the game is all about. Being a small team allows us to be very agile. We can come up with ideas and then just bounce them around within the team quickly. There's no hierarchies where we have to like email, mid-level management and everything has to be approved and stuff like that. It's more like everyone is in the webcam conference meeting and then everyone sort of starts working on their respective part.
The reason why we work a lot on like through video conference systems is because we have families. And we have also different working hours. Some work better at night, some work better at day.
In a smaller company, whenever you're slightly uninspired within one field, you can always jump to something else. And that often allows inspiration to come. And then you can return to that task later with some fresh inspiration.
And then also we spend a lot of time away from families in the sort of prior to this, in the earlier work we've done, and people in the team that just got kids, and we sort of try to get them to not miss out on their kids like we did, I guess. And actually we're a lot more effective at home just being alone. You can shut everybody out for a couple hours. You can sort of decide when to work. I sort of missed the days of sweating in a small office together with a bunch of people, but at the same time I don't miss it at all.
It's really exciting. It's really tough and challenging as well, physically and mentally, because, well, there's a lot of passion over these last couple of years that are poured into this game.
We hope that GTFO becomes the gold standard when it comes to cooperative games. If we listen to people when they said that they wanted an easy mode for the game, that would be like Guinness, like making an IPA or something.